Hi everyone, my name is Christy. I'm the owner of Blue Labels Boutique and the creator of my own handmade fashion line, which is entitled Fashion Not Fear, which is right now sold exclusively at bluelabelsboutique.com. Today is my first unboxing video that I'm doing for a fabric that I ordered in the mail, ordered online, and I received it today from Mood Fabrics, which is one of my favorite stores to shop from when I have to order things online. And so I'm excited to open the package and see what we have, so that way we can see what styles that we're going to be making for the fall. So let's just take a look and see what we got. I'm really excited because I'm really trying to go with a specific theme. I know exactly how I want everything to look. I have the sketches already ready to go, and I know exactly what I'm going to be making from this, but you know, it's kind of hard sometimes when you order online to know exactly how the fabric's going to look. So I'm excited to make sure that it's going to look how I want it to look. Fashion Not Fear is something that I've been working on for a while, and it's really important to me to make it styles that I would consider to be classic with a twist, because classic styles, you know, you'll always be able to wear them. I never consider them to be a waste of money. They'll always be in style. You can always style them with new styles and new pieces that come out. And I think that's really important, to be able to spend your money on something that you know that you'll be able to wear for a long time. So let's take a look. Oh, this is so beautiful. My first piece is a beautiful plaid color. Let's see. It's beautiful. It's exactly how I thought it would be. But you can tell it's a lot of fabric. But look, oh yes, beautiful. Exactly how I looked online. It's really, really pretty. I hope you can tell it has really pretty colors of browns and light brown and pink and ivory. Exactly what I expected, and I have the perfect look for this. I'm so excited to show you guys once I finish it. So this is the first one that I ordered, and then I ordered another one as well. Let me just take a look at that one. Say hey, baby. Oh, this is so pretty. And this is the second set of fabric that I ordered. It's beautiful, beautiful colors of a lilac with a nice little pinstripe of brown. I don't know, hopefully you can see that there. It's gorgeous. I'm so excited to have these two pieces. You want to talk, baby? I'm so excited to receive these two pieces. So this is one, and this is the second one. So stay tuned. So I'm really excited to show you all what I make from this. Chic, beautiful fabric. It's brown, pinks, ivories, black. And then this purple, lilac-y type with brown, which is probably something that's unexpectedly, like two colors you probably wouldn't expect to look good together, but they actually look really, really pretty. You'll be able to see what styles will come from this and how everything comes to fruition. Thank you all for watching so much, and I'll be back with you soon enough so that you can see the finished product. I'll also keep you up to date on how I make the style, so that way you can just see from the box to its completion. Check us out on bluelabelsboutique.com and my exclusive line, Fashion Not Fear. We also have a blog that's fashionnotfear.com, where you can check out everything fearless, inspirational stories, how-tos on how I make certain items and style them. And if you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay fearless. Now that all that's left is for me to get to work. Stay tuned.